Hello, today I'm going to walk you through how to make a drawing sheet with your basic shape from the previous video. So in order to do that on Onshape, you obviously want to have your file open. Click the plus down here, and then you click on Create Drawing. You can choose from different templates that should load up via Onshape. I'm going to stick with ANSI A inch. ANSI is the style we use. A is the size of the paper, which this is a normal sheet of paper. And then inch is the units you use. So I'm going to click on that. And once it loads in here, it wants you to select the shape. We only have one, so we're just going to click the single part. And here you can change your scale ahead of time if you'd like. That'll change the scale for the whole sheet. And it's good practice to start doing this ahead of time before you start placing it. You can also change which view you're placing first. Typically, I like to stick with the front view, so I'm going to leave that alone. And I'm going to stick with the half scale that we have here. I will show you how to change it if you need to after the fact. So I'm going to place my front view. And then once it loads in here, then I'm going to place my top view. And then after that, you'll notice that it no longer links to the front view. So I got to go back over and click on it and then place my right side view. And then click on it again and place my isometric. Once they're all placed, I'm going to hit escape on my keyboard. Then I'm going to go over to the isometric view and right click. And then I'm going to click show shaded view. So that way it's shaded and colored the way it should be. Now, if you need to change the scale after the fact, like I said, I would point it out. If you right click on the front view and click on view properties, you can change the scale here. So you can do it after the fact if you need to, but you should probably get used to doing it just before it, so that way you're all set up. Once you have your views placed the way you need to, click on dimension. And to place a dimension, you either select a single line, like so, or you can select two lines and bring it out. That way we can get the height of the whole object. And if you need to edit these dimensions at all, on each dimension, there is a box that pops up when you get near them, or if you click on them, and it gives you the option to change the precision and change any information that you need to in there. For instance, I'm going to change this 3.000 to just 3. You can also change the units and the tolerance, and there's a couple other options down below. Once you're done there, you just click in the white space and it goes away. Okay, I won't place the other dimensions. That way we don't take up more time than needed. The last part you need to do is you need to show hidden lines. So I'm going to right click on my views where I know hidden lines are going to be and just click on show hidden lines. And it takes a second, but they should show up. Once you're all set with that, all you need to do is convert your drawing into a PDF to submit. Once you have all your other dimensions on there, like I said, I won't do all of them. To do that, go down to the tab where the drawing is open, right click, click on export, and then if you need to change your format to PDF, it should default to it, but just in case, just check there, and then name it whatever you need to, and then click export. And then after a little bit, it should, after this dialog box, create your PDF and download it. And then you should be able to open it right up and you can submit that onto Google Classroom. Thank you for watching.